Having trouble with your AirPods Pro? Let's get them back in action. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your AirPods and iPhone have enough battery and that both are updated to the latest software. Verify Bluetooth is on by going to Settings, then Bluetooth. Next, try restarting them. Put your AirPods in the charging case, then open the lid. Restart your iPhone as well. Still not connecting? Let's repair them. Open the AirPods case near your iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions. If that doesn't work, it's time for a reset. Put the AirPods in the case and close the lid. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and tap Forget this device. Open the case lid, hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. Bring the case close to your iPhone and reconnect. Lastly, check for any obstructions or interference from other devices. If all else fails, contact Apple support. And there you have it. Easy steps to get your AirPods Pro back online.